number 13. The chapter is 14, statistics. Alright, in the previous session, we saw how to find mean. Alright, we saw illustration number 10 and 11. Today, we are going to see how to find median. That is the second measure of central tendency. Is that clear? Okay. Let's see illustration 12. Okay. The height in centimeter of 9 students of a class are as follows. The first student, what is his or her height? 125. Second student's height? 160 centimeter. 145 centimeter. And so on. The heights of 9 students are given here. Correct? The question is, find median of this data. आपको इस डेटा का मीडियन ढूंढना है. Now what is median? Conceptually we have studied. It is that value of the observation. Yeah, it is that value below which 50% of the observations lies and above which the 50% of observations lie. I'll try to justify this statement again after we find the median. उसकी फॉर्मूला भी बनाएंगे, देखते हैं. चलिए, children, whenever you have to find median, one very important thing that you have to do is arrange the observations in ascending order. So I'm putting the title, children, here. Ascending order. This should be your first step. ये अपना पहला step होना चाहिए. All right? Or you have to be very careful. Thank God, only 9 values are there. Okay, so you should not have much difficulties. However, होगी तो सही. The smallest value is 144. Sure, it can be down. 144. Next. 145. Next. 147. 147 है. 148. 148. 149. 150. कभी कभी रिपीट भी होता है. 152. 155. 160. So though we have ticked to confirm, I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So confirmation is there. If we haven't missed any. 9 थे और हमारे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में भी 9 है. Alright. अब मैंने बताया था आपको, यहां से एक ऑब्जर्वेशन निकालो, यहां से एक निकालो, यहां से एक निकालो, from here, from here, from here, from here. अरे अकेला रह गया. So that is your median. That is your median. उसके नीचे कितने ऑब्जर्वेशंस है? 4. The values below 149 are 4 and values above 149 are 4. So you can say 50% of the observations lie below 149 and 50% of observation lie above. So that is the value which is called median of the data. Are you getting me? Yes. आधे observations की value 149 के नीचे है और आधे observations की value 149 के ऊपर. Are you getting me? Yes. So what is the median of this data? 149. लेकिन उसके लिए फॉर्मूला है. देखो यहाँ नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस कितने हैं? 9. So here n is equal to 9 and that is odd. When it is odd, the formula is therefore median is equal to the value of odd है ना, तो उसको even बनाना है. So add 1 whole upon 2 bracket tx n plus 1 by 2 observation. Alright, so that is equal to the value of n is how much? 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2, that is 5. So fifth observation. अब ascending order में value of fifth observation देख लो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So The value of fifth observation is 140. Therefore, median is 140. मैंने justify कर दिया definition भी. 4 observations are ranging have value smaller than 149, and 4 observations have value more than
149.
So 50-50. Are you getting it? So 149 is that value of the observation below which 50% of the observations lie, and above which the rest 50% of the observation lie. Such a value of observation is called
Median.
Alright. So here is the screenshot. So children, that was the median that we found for illustration 12. Now we'll see the next sum. It is illustration 13. Okay. So let's see what is the question here. The points scored by a kabaddi team in a series of matches are as follows. Series of matches. The first match, IPL and now World Cup 2020. 45 total matches are played, or even sometimes more than that. Correct? Okay. So here, this team, kabaddi team, plays series of matches. How many matches are not given? So we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So totally 16 matches are played. So we have 16 observations. In the first match, how many points did they score?
17.
Now who won, we don't know. In the second match,
2.
that is quite low point. है ना? So हारी गए होंगे. Third match, fourth match, and in the 16th match they scored
28.
28 points. What we are supposed to find? Find the median. Okay, find the
Median.
Whenever you are supposed to find the median, first thing you have to do is arrange those observations in ascending
order.
So let me do that first. Ascending order. To solution 31.
2.
Yes. 2. Then
5.
5.
7.
अब textbook से आराम से बोलो. Again 7.
8.
8.
8.
Again 8.
10.
10 दो बार है.
14.
14.
15.
15.
17.
17.
18.
अब बुक से बोल रहे हो आसान लग रहा है. इतना आसान नहीं है. 18. 24.
27.
27.
28.
28.
48.
48. Okay? For confirmation, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we haven't missed out any observation while arranging them in ascending order. Children, अब देखो. Here, and number of observation is 16, and that is even. Already even है. It is already even. So it is easily divisible by
2.
है ना. इसकी फॉर्मूला कुछ अलग है. Therefore, median, देखो median is equal the value of pth observation plus the value of p plus 1th observation. I am writing in brief observation whole upon where p is equal to n by 2. Where p is equal to n by 2. So what is n?
16.
So that is 16 by
2.
And what is that?
8.
So what is p?
8.
What is p?
8.
So लिखेंगे the value of pth मतलब एक observation और उसके बाद एक के बाद 9 p plus 1 8 plus 1 9. The value of 9th observation whole upon 2. हमने ascending order कर लिया है. गिनती करो ना. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ये 8 है और ये 9 है. So 10 plus 14 whole upon 2. 24 upon 2, and that is 12. Therefore, median is 12. I.e. the symbol for median is M, so you may write 12 points. Points है ना? 12 points. So median is 12 points. अब ये जो वैल्यू आई ना 12, यहां से आई ना? यहाँ 12 है ना?
Yes.
Count the values below it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. उसके ऊपर 1, 2, 12 के ऊपर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me. So there are 50% observations whose values are above, and rest 50% of the observations whose value are below. So 12 is median of this data. Are you getting me?
Yes.
So when the number of observations is given, this is the formula to find. Are you getting me? अच्छा, वो सिंपल मेथड से हम देखते हैं. यहाँ से एक निकाला, यहाँ से एक निकाला, यहाँ से, यहाँ से, यहाँ से, यहाँ से, यहाँ से, लेफ्ट राइट. ओके, चार हो गए. नाउ यस यस यस. अब ये तो दोनों निकल जाएंगे भाई, दोनों निकल जाएंगे. तो उसका एवरेज लेना है. 10 plus 14 by 2, वही तो आया. 10 plus 14 by 2. So this is the formula. Is that clear to you, children?
Yes.
All right. So we'll see the next sum where there is twist. All right. So we move on to the next one, and the question is here. This is extra illustration that I'm giving you. All right. Let's see. There is twist in the question. The height in centimeter of 9 students that we saw in illustration 13, right? 12 are given in ascending order. Ascending order is already as follows: 144, 145, 147, 148. Now here x minus 3. We do not know the value of x. Then 150. But one thing is for sure, because of ascending order, the value of x minus 3 lies between 148 and x नहीं, x minus 3. After that 150 के बाद x, again x आया, 155, and once again the value of x lies between 150 and, but we do not know. Okay, अब आगे. If median of the data is, information में है, what is median? If median of data is 149, find the value of
X.
Information में क्या है? दो चीज. Heights of 9 students are given in value. और क्या दिया? Median. How much is the median?
149.
तो दोनों इंफॉर्मेशन में लिख देता हूं. और x ढूंढना है. पहले मैं मीडियन लिख देता हूं. मीडियन इज हाउ मच? 149. और फिर मैं असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सब ऑब्जर्वेशंस लिख देता हूं. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर क्या है? 144, 145, 147, 148. Here it's x minus 3. Here it's 50. Then here x 155 and 160. You are supposed to find the value of x. Unless and until you find the observations, you cannot find the value of x. ये ऑब्जर्वेशन जो 5वां नंबर का है, 6, 7 और 7 का है, वो ऑब्जर्वेशंस आपको मिलने चाहिए. अच्छा, मीडियन दिया है ना, so I'll follow the procedure of finding the median. I'll follow the procedure of finding the median. ये मतलब जरा भी ध्यान नहीं है. देखो कैसा बैठा भी है. Where is your attention, बेटा? हाँ, यहाँ ध्यान दो. You are not attentive. Yes. Now see. If you want to find median, दो चीजें बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, वो हमको मुफ्त में मिला है ना, और दूसरा ऑड है या इवन, उस हिसाब से फॉर्मूला लगानी होगी. For odd number of observations, the formula is different, and for even number of observations, it's different, right? So पहले हम देखेंगे number of observations. Here, बोलो number of observations n, 9, and which is therefore formula लगाओ. Median is equal. Odd होगा तो आसान वाली फॉर्मूला. Median, the value of n प्लस ऑड है ना, प्लस 1 क्या इवन बाय 2
Observation.
ऑब्जर्वेशन. अब देखो मीडियन क्या है, व्हाट इज मीडियन? सो मीडियन की जगह पे मैं लिखने वाला हूं 140. द वैल्यू ऑफ n की जगह मैं लिखने वाला हूं 9 प्लस 1 बाय 2 10 बाय 2 and that is 5. So fifth observation. Therefore 149 is equal to first, second, third, fourth or fifth. So that is x minus 3. अब ये 7th standard का simple सा linear equation हो गया है. If you want to find the value of x, take minus 3 on other side. So 149 plus 3 is equal to x. i.e. x is equal to 152. And that's what you wanted to find, the value of x. यहाँ x 152 लगा दो तो 152 minus 3 is 149. वही तो मीडियन है 148. और x की वैल्यू क्या है 149 ना, x minus 3 149 होगा. That value lies between 148 and 150. अब x की वैल्यू 152 तो 150 और 155 के बीच है, बट यहीं से मिल गया मुझे. So what is the value of x?
112.
So that's how we find. Okay. So after solving that question, here's another one of similar kind, but number of observation here is even. So the formula to find median is little bit complex. Okay. Formula थोड़ी लंबी चौड़ी है, वो पहले वाली simple थी, when number of observation is odd. Okay. Let's see a similar question here. Extra illustration 2. Okay. The points scored by Kabaddi team in a series of matches in ascending order is given as follows. First match 2 points, second match 7, 7, 8, 8, x plus 4, 14, 15, 17 and so on. It's given in ascending order. If the median, ये जो median है, that is
12.
find the value of x. Again, you are supposed to find the value of x. और दो इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास है. डेटा के सारे ऑब्जर्वेशंस असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में दिया है, एंड द मीडियन ऑफ द डेटा इज आल्सो गिवन. सो विल यूज द प्रोसीजर टू फाइंड मीडियन. मीडियन वाली फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे तो इक्वेशन मिलेगा और उसमें x इन्वॉल्व होगा. वी कैन सॉल्व द इक्वेशन एंड गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ. So first I write, what I write? Median. What is median? 12. And then ascending order. Ascending and okay, ascending order. Ascending order. Only 2, 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, x plus 4, 14, 15, 17, 18, 24, 27, 28 and 48. ठीक है. Ascending. Alright, thank you. Now see. Now I have to follow the procedure of finding median. Formula decide करनी है. इसकी दो फॉर्मूला है and it is based on number of observations. तो पहले लिखता हूँ. Here number of observation n कितने हैं?
16.
पिछले सब में हमने कैलकुलेट किया था, राइट? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that is so वो लंबी चौड़ी फॉर्मूला, लंबी चौड़ी फॉर्मूला. ऑलराइट, कौन सी? Therefore, median. I'm going to use little bit short form. Pth observation plus p plus 1th observation whole upon 2. अब भी कर सकते हैं ऐसे. Where p is equal to n by 2 is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. So p की वैल्यू भी मिल गई. So now I'm writing p के जगह पे 8 observations plus 9 observations. वो हमने समझ लिया वैल्यू upon 2. Here children, यहाँ कुछ नहीं लिखा हमने. What is medium?
12.
वो ढूंढना नहीं हो तो दिया है. So it will continue. Therefore, 12 is equal. बोलिए value of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. कोई बात नहीं. ये और ये. All right. कुछ गड़बड़ी हुई
Sir,
है.
yes. वो x plus 4 करेंगे तो 10 आएगा ना.
नहीं यहाँ दोनों 10 थे ना.
Yes.
अच्छा नेक्स्ट 10 था. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Answer would be different here. वो illustration किया उससे थोड़ा अलग. Anyways, what is eighth observation now here? It is x plus
4.
plus. बोलो 14 upon 2. 24. नहीं थोड़ी गड़बड़ी होगी. I'll put 10 here, 10 here, sorry, x here, and x plus 4. Alright, so this is 8th observation. 8th observation is x. Or 9th observation is x plus 4. Is that clear? ये 10 था. चलिए. बस बोलो. Therefore, 12 multiplied by is equal to x plus x, 2x plus 4. Therefore, 24 is equal to 2x plus 4. Take 4 on other side. 24 minus 4 is equal to 2x. So now 20 is equal to
2x.
So 20 divided by 2 is equal to so IEX is equal to 2 1 2 10. 10. So the value of x is 10. So मतलब ये observation 10 होगा और 10 plus 4 14 होगा. Recognize? Alright. Got that children? So that's all in this session. We learned about median. उनकी दो formula. How to find median and when the median is already given, how to find the value of x अथवा missing observations. Alright? Are you getting me?
Yes.
So that's all in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.
Stay safe.